Hi guys, RC Racer here. So it's been a while since I did my last unboxing video. Yeah, I won't beat around the bush. We've all been in lockdown, so it's been a bit hit and miss, and yeah, it's crazy times. So let's crack on. So this is unboxing of the Hyper 7 TQ Sport. Basically, just going to take the bits out of the car, out of the box. Transmitter, shell. This is how it all comes packed. Car chassis and the wheels. Let's put those to one side. What I do, I assemble the whole thing so you can see it all together once it's come out of the box. But this is how it comes shipped. Rear wing, just tucked in here, and then the chassis of the car. So what I do is I assemble it all. But that's how it comes, just out of the box. I'll put it all together and then you'll see how it is once I've done it. So guys, this is a quick tour around the car. This is the Hyper 7 Hobao. It's got the 0.21 engine in there. I have just attached the rear wing, stuck some stickers on the shell. Obviously see it's still got the plastic on here. I've put the shell on, but I haven't put the pins in. So we're going to just take this off. Inside. Let's spin it around. Right. So, this is the car itself. So I say I'm no pro, this is my first Nitro car. There's other videos if you want, like tips and tricks and stuff. I've just got this, watched some videos, and yeah, I'll just go through what I do know. So I attach the wheels, obviously, haven't screwed them tight yet, but they're on there. The rear wing I put on, obviously the exhaust, the fuel tank, the engine. This is where the glow plug goes, down into there. Comes with a glow plug in the box. I also got given Fast Track's glow starter plug. I got this car a really good price. I got like £100 off of it on eBay, and I thought, oh my god, it's just going to turn up with a box of bricks or something, or potatoes. But no, and he threw this in as well, because it was in the picture, and then I said, is that included? He's like, no, not normally, but yeah, I put it in the picture so you can have it. So I've got that. I've got the car, and it is all new, as he described. Let's open up the transmitter. Here we go. So this takes, in total, between the car and the transmitter, there's 12 AA batteries. So I've got like a pack of 48, just to be on the safe side. Obviously with Nitros, it's different to all my electric cars, but the overall same thing. Obviously you've got nice aluminium shocks on here. Awesome. I'm surprised, my main thing is, I'm surprised how much car you get for the price. So this at full retail is probably £299 in UK price. And to get like a brushless car, you're probably looking at the same, but like £350. But you think for this, you've got, it weighs a ton because obviously it's not as light as the electrics, but you've got all the engine, all the metal work. You buy a Traxxas electric car and it's all plastic and it's like £350. This, like a fueled car, I got this at like £200. Got a right bargain. So yeah, let's hope it works when it comes out. But it is basically new. You see this all shiny. Probably the only time it's going to be this clean and not have fuel splashed all over it. Yeah, so swinging the camera around. Battery pack goes in here, I believe. You can get hump pack. I probably will do. I'm just going to put the batteries in and put a bit of tape around them, stop them coming out for the moment before spending another £20 on another accessory. Because I bought the car, I bought some fuel, 20% nitro fuel, which should turn up. A spare glow plug, should turn up in a day or two. I think this is the oiled filter in here which I have to attach. This is the pull start, spare glow plug. Oh no, that is the glow plug, but I've got a spare one on order. I ordered some after run oil, just trying to think of everything I'm going to need. A torque set, because mine was crap, so everything on here is little torques, or hexes, whatever you want to call them. So looking in my little box that turned up, I've got like every single size in the world you could need, like, because the ones I had were really a bit crap. They're like here, but you could start turning them and they're a bit cheap. The threads would go on the end. So yeah, I wasn't too impressed with those, so bought a better grip on this one. What else I'm going to be needing? Comes with this little set of like Allen keys and a little wrench, but honestly they're rubbish, so I've got a better wrench coming so I can work on the car. Got my torque set, just got a load of stuff that I'm going to have. I've gone blank now on my mind. So anyway, going back to the car, yeah, it takes 20% nitro fuel. Well, it can take anything really, between 16 to 30, but I've got 20. No, actually I haven't got 20, I've got 25. So I'm just lying. So going over the car, obviously from what I've read out the box, I need to run it in. So we've got, what have I got? How many tanks? I've got to go through like 5 tanks of fuel apparently. They're looking at different places. In the manual it says to run idle on the first tank. So basically fill the car with fuel, start the car, put the glow plugs in, run it off the ground slightly raised up and just leave it running for the first full tank of fuel. I think it's all to do with like the compression of the engine and how it comes factory manufactured. It needs to be run through that one time. Then the next time, it says in the manual to run it 3 times with this idle, but other places I've read you do 1 full tank, then do another tank, and then you go like figure of 8s, but like I think like a quarter throttle, and then like another tank, half throttle, figure of 8s, then straight lines on the next tank, and then on the final tank up to full throttle. And out the box you're supposed to run it like, the manual says one thing and online videos say another, but you're supposed to kind of run it as is and it runs rich. So obviously with these you're supposed to run them a bit more rich, so it lubricates the engine. If you run it too lean, from what I read, it would damage the engine and glow plugs and whatnot. So I think out the box I'm just supposed to leave it as is, or check the settings, because obviously you've got these needles here, and there's 3 needles: the idle, the high-speed needle, and the low-speed needle. I think you're not supposed to touch the low-speed needle, and the high-speed and the carb you can change, but I've got it all written down. So like I said, I'm no pro, but out the box I'm going to run it as is and maybe adjust the richness if it needs to, do the braking process, and then the manual says to change it, like I think you turn it to 1/8 of a turn on the relevant needles to adjust it, for obviously then to be leaner, richer, and then the high speed needle to adjust like the performance, top speed. And from what I've read and seen, it's supposed to run, obviously if it sounds like crap, it's running too lean, if it's and the engine's cutting out, and if it's running rich, you'll see like plumes of smoke and a bit sluggish. But to get the right performance, you tweak it right, it should run and get good acceleration, nice smoke coming out when you're kind of driving the car a bit faster. But yeah, we'll soon see. Mine might just explode in a ball of flames, or never start, which is another thing I've seen. So yeah, this attaches here, so I've just ranted on for 8 minutes. This attaches here, the pull start, and you pull it, short sharp pulls, and then obviously I think to get fuel around the engine for the first time, you put your thumb on the exhaust and you pull the starter with the fuel in, and it pumps the fuel around, and when you see it going into the engine, you kind of know you're good to start. But yeah, I really like this car, so I'm hoping after I do like a million running videos, it's probably not a good idea to get this thing stuck in there, but with the shell on, yeah, it's going to be a cool car. That's what it looks like, and I have just ranted on, but I really do recommend the RC Biker on YouTube if you want to see how to tune these, and I think this is one of his favourite cars. He's kind of doesn't know, but he's helped me quite a lot just watching his videos, so a shout out to him. I do recommend you go there if you want any advice. But yeah, if you were looking at a Nitro car and you wanted to see what this looked like in the flesh, this is the latest version. It's 2020 now, but it might have come out a year ago or so, but it's the most up-to-date release of the car. It's a nice buggy, or truggy. Yeah, I can't wait to get it running. I'm not going to do like all the running in videos because other people have done them. I've just got other stuff to do, but I will do it once it's running. I might do a quick update, just grab the phone and tinker around the car as I'm trying to get it running. As you can see, probably me snapping the pull start or being really frustrated with it. So yeah, looking forward to it. I know it's going to be a lot of work. Yeah, so, but I think running it in, I think in my head I'm there. I know what to do. So just waiting for the fuel to turn up, hopefully tomorrow, and then get it out there the next day, and get it up and running. So yeah, that's the Hyper 7, 1/8 scale. Only now I'm telling you all this. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. It was a bit of a rant, not done one of these for ages. Not a rant, but a bit of just a wall of sort of me talking at you. So yeah, cool, Hyper 7, and next video should be out and about running. Take care, guys.